The right way to burp it is basically with the engine cold, lower radiator hose, cap off. Just keep priming it, prime the top one until you hear the air. Yes, this is Florida, and it's kind of trippy that it is this cold outside. Let me open the door and get ambient temperature. Yep, you're reading that right. 36.8 degrees Fahrenheit in Florida. Last time I checked, I moved to Florida. I didn't stay in Long Island, New York or anything. I moved to Florida for a reason. Alright guys, so first thing you want to do, pop open your radiator cap. Alright, check inside. I do need a little bit of coolant. Top it off your coolant. That's basically it. That's all I have to add. Now, what I want you guys to do is to check for air. You go to your lower radiator hose, and basically you're burping it, you're squeezing it. There is a little air in there. I see little air bubbles coming out. So keep doing that until you stop seeing bubbles. Do the same thing with the upper hose. You hear that? That's air. Alright, so the next step I want you guys to follow is basically start it up, leave the radiator cap open, and let it run until you start seeing fluid come out.
What we do here is go back.
And that's what you want to see. You want to see it actually spill over. What this is doing is actually getting all the air out of the system naturally. So what you want it, just let it spill over and let it flow over. The catch pan underneath, just let it spill over. That's a good sign. You want to see that. What that actually does is the water pump working and it's flowing properly. Actually taking the air out of the system that's in the block, that's in the hoses and everything out. When I first installed the new thermostat and the hose, I bled it, but not properly. I didn't pressurize it, I didn't burp it or anything. I just, you know, try to get the truck going. But the right way to burp it is basically with the engine cold, lower radiator hose, cap off. Just keep priming it, prime the top one until you hear the air, like you heard in the video earlier. So after just maybe 10 minutes of sitting, normal operating temperature is usually at the N or O in the middle, because I have a 180 degree thermostat in there, so it takes a while for it to open up, just so it can warm up the engine a little quicker. That's the benefits of having one of those thermostats in the winter time, and in the summertime it works because it doesn't overheat the engine. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, more videos coming. I hope this helped you out.